Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Narendra Yadav. Today I am going to teach you very important lesson. In this video I am going to teach you about use of can and should. So if you watch this video, then your spoken English will be improved. So if you came to watch my video first time, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. So let's start this video. So students, you can see there are some sentence which is written in Hindi language. Okay. So first of all, I am going to tell you what is the meaning and what is the purpose of use of can and should. Why we use it. Okay. So let me tell you students what is the meaning of can. So this is can. Okay. So can means what? Can means in Hindi can means we say sakna. Can means sakna. That means it is telling about efficiency. Sakna or should. Another one is should. First of all, let me tell you students should. It is we read it should, but there has silent should. That means there is silent l later is silent. So should we should आप लोगों को इसे शुल्ड नहीं पढ़ना है, इसे शुड पढ़ना है हमेशा. ओके, क्योंकि इसमें एल साइलेंट रहता है तो इसलिए इसको शुड पढ़ेंगे. और शुड का मतलब क्या होता है बच्चों? शुड का मतलब हो जाता है चाहिए. तो शुड मीन्स व्हाट? चाहिए. That means anything when you need. So this is the meaning of can and should. Okay student, so now I am going to tell you about how to speak this sentence in English. Okay, so our first sentence is मैं पढ़ सकता हूँ. You can see here सकना. मैं पढ़ सकता हूँ, that means in this sentence there is written sakna, sakta hai. That means they are showing about efficiency. So what we should use here? Sakna. That means we should use here can. And चाहिए वाले sentence किधर है? Here. This is sentence related to चाहिए. So in this type of sentence we should use should. Okay. So मैं पढ़ सकता हूँ. तो how we can say in English? मैं पढ़ सकता हूँ. तो मैं पढ़ सकता हूँ. मैं, what is this? मैं, this is our subject. So we should use always first subject and after then can या should and after then other word. Okay, so मैं पढ़ सकता हूँ. तो this is our subject मैं. तो how we can write it? मैं पढ़ सकता हूँ, that means in English I के बाद I can read. That means मैं पढ़ सकता हूँ. Full stop. And now I am going to talk about our another sentence. Our another sentence is what? वह दौड़ सकता है. And from this sentence you can make. I took a very less example, but from this example, if you will understood about it, then from this example you can make different type of sentence according to your ability. You can think and you can make sentence and you can speak in English. Okay, because it is very easy to make sentence and speak in English. So from this sentence, जैसे फ्रॉम दिस सेंटेंस मैं पढ़ सकता हूँ, तो यू कैन से मैं पढ़ सकता हूँ, मैं खेल सकता हूँ, मैं देख सकता हूँ, आई कैन सी. मैं खेल सकता हूँ, आई कैन प्ले. मैं बोल सकता हूँ, आई कैन स्पीक. एंड अनदर वर्ड जस्ट लाइक मैं पानी पी सकता हूँ. तो हाउ वी कैन से इन इंग्लिश? मैं पानी पी सकता हूँ, आई कैन ड्रिंक वाटर. मैं उड़ सकता हूँ, आई कैन फ्लाई. मैं कूद सकता हूँ, आई कैन जंप. So from this sentence you can make different type of many sentence, and here all the sentence are related to day life. All these type of sentence actually we are using in our day-to-day life, in our conversation. So all these sentence are very important. Okay, so from this sentence, वह दौड़ सकता है, you can say different way also. वह दौड़ सकती है, वह दौड़ सकता है, that means we are talking about male, that means पुरुष in Hindi. And if we say वह दौड़ सकती है, सकता है and सकती है, this is the difference, you should understood about it. Okay, वह दौड़ सकती है, that means female gender. तो फीमेल जेंडर, फॉर मेल जेंडर बेसिकली व्हाट वी यूज, ही इज फॉर, वी यूज ही फॉर मेल, दैट मीन्स पुरुष जाति के लिए, एंड सी वी यूज इट फॉर फीमेल जेंडर, दैट मीन्स स्त्री जाति के लिए. इज इट क्लियर स्टूडेंट? फीमेल. सो वह दौड़ सकती है, वह दौड़ सकता है, दैट मीन्स मेल के लिए. तो ही कैन रन, वह दौड़ सकता है. इज इट क्लियर स्टूडेंट? नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट आवर अनदर सेंटेंस. आवर अनदर सेंटेंस इज वे लोग कर सकते हैं, वे लोग कर सकते हैं. फ्रॉम दिस सेंटेंस यू कैन मेक डिफरेंट आल्सो. वे लोग कर सकते हैं, वे लोग जा सकते हैं, वे लोग गा सकते हैं, वे लोग आ सकते हैं, वे लोग खेल सकते हैं. You can make many sentence according to your choice, according to your use. Okay, so वे लोग कर सकते हैं, तो वे लोग, this is our subject. You cannot say this is only our subject, वे and लोग all other, you cannot divide it. वे लोग, that means this is our subject. Okay, and वे लोग, how we can say in English, वे लोग, they means वे लोग. Okay, तो वे लोग कर सकते हैं, that means how we can say in English, they can do, full stop. तो वे लोग कर सकते हैं, they can do. तो they, what is this? This is our subject, and after subject I use here can, because this type of sentence they are showing about सकना, efficiency. They are showing about efficiency, मतलब सामर्थ्य, सकना, कि ये चीज मैं कर सकता हूँ, ये चीज नहीं कर सकता हूँ. ओके स्टूडेंट, सो दे कैन, एंड आफ्टर दैट सकना, दे कैन डू, कर सकना. and you can make another sentence also from this sentence. They can play, otherwise they can jump, they can sing, they can eat, they can watch a video, they can do anything. You can make from just like वे लोग कर सकते हैं. if we will say about another sentence, वे लोग यह कर सकते हैं, तो they can do this. वे लोग यह काम कर सकते हैं, they can do this work. So in your day to day life, in your daily मतलब day to day life, you have to make little sentence, not big sentence. You have to make little sentence. You have to think in your brain, in your mind. You have to think little sentence, and you have to speak. Don't always translate, because sometimes it takes time also. But I am teaching you for weak students, because some students are weak and they don't know how to speak, they don't know how to write. That's why, because I am teacher and I am thinking about all type of students, different type of students who are weak in study, who are very smart, very intelligent, very brilliant in study. I am thinking equally for everyone. Okay, so they can do. And now I am going to talk about our next sentence. Our next sentence is यह बच्चा दौड़ सकता है. तो यह बच्चा दौड़ सकता है. How we can speak in English? Okay, यह बच्चा, तो यह बच्चा, this is our subject. Okay, कौन दौड़ सकता है? Who can done? कौन दौड़ सकता है? Who can done? तो यह बच्चा, that's why this is our subject. तो यह बच्चा, that means how we can say in English? यह बच्चा, that means this child. Let me tell you students, child means बच्चा, that means एक बच्चा, और children means बच्चों, that means it is plural form. Okay, so this child दौड़ सकता, यह बच्चा दौड़ सकता है. तो this child can run, full stop. Okay, and if there is written like यह बच्चे या वे बच्चे दौड़ सकते हैं, तो वे बच्चे दैट मीन्स दे ना, जस्ट लाइक अनदर सेंटेंस, वे दौड़ सकते हैं तो दे कैन रन. ओके, या बच्चा दौड़ सकते हैं. यू कैन मेक अनदर सेंटेंस आल्सो, वे लोग दौड़ सकते हैं, तो हाउ वी कैन से इन इंग्लिश, वे लोग दौड़ सकते हैं दैट मीन्स दे कैन रन. वे लोग जा सकते हैं, दे कैन गो. वे लोग आ सकते हैं, दे कैन कम. वे लोग पानी पी सकते हैं, दे कैन ड्रिंक वाटर. So you can make different type of sentence. Okay students, so now I am going to talk about another sentence. Our another sentence is आपको पढ़ना चाहिए. So now this is different, little bit different. Okay, now here from this sentence, now we are going to learn about how to use should. Before we were learning about how to use can. Okay, all these sentence from until 4. Okay, so next sentence is आपको पढ़ना चाहिए, कोई भी चीज चाहिए आपको, that means you need it. Okay, so we should use should. I am telling also should. Okay, आपको पढ़ना चाहिए, तो first we should find out our subject. तो आपको पढ़ना चाहिए, this is our subject. आपको, तो how we can say in English, आपको पढ़ना चाहिए, you, and you के बाद क्या लगाएंगे बच्चों, should. You should आपको पढ़ना चाहिए, you should read. Okay, तो you should read. Don't confuse here. READ, read means पढ़ना, और READY, ready means तैयार होना, मतलब get ready. Okay, and RED, red means लाल, this is name of color. Okay, तो you should read, that means आपको पढ़ना चाहिए. You should, आपको खेलना चाहिए. You should play, आपको गाना चाहिए. You should sing, आपको आना चाहिए. You should come, आपको जाना चाहिए. You should go, आपको टीवी देखना चाहिए. You should watch TV, आपको बैठना चाहिए. You should sit, आपको यहां बैठना चाहिए. You should sit here. Okay, from this sentence you can make a different type of sentence, and you can speak also. Okay, because it is very easy. And now I am going to talk about our next sentence. Our next sentence is उसे टहलना चाहिए. तो उसे टहलना चाहिए, this is our subject, and टहलना चाहिए, तो उसे टहलना चाहिए, that means he should walk. तो उसे टहलना चाहिए, तो उसे, what is this बच्चों, this is our subject, and our subject, then I use here should. We cannot use of can and should according to our subject. In past teaching video, I always told you, I was always telling you, according to our subject we should change it, just like use of have, use of has, use of was, use of were, use of is, am, are. All these type of things, words we were using according to our subject. But in this type of sentence, no, you cannot put and you cannot use according to our subject. You should think about sentence. What is the sentence? If they are talking about they need something, then we should use should. If they are talking about power, efficiency, then we should use can. Okay, it is very easy. So उसे टहलना चाहिए. If there has another sentence, just like वे लोग, just like उन लोगों को टहलना चाहिए. Another sentence we can make another sentence, वे लोगों को टहलना चाहिए या उन लोगों को टहलना चाहिए. उन लोगों means they, THE, they means उन लोगों या उन लोगों. Okay, उन लोगों. सो वी कैन से इन इंग्लिश दे शुड वॉक, उन लोगों को टहलना चाहिए, या वे लोगों को टहलना चाहिए. ओके, so now I am going to talk about our next sentence. Our next sentence is मैं दौड़ सकता हूँ. तो how we can speak in English? मैं दौड़ सकता हूँ. तो let me first we need to find about our subject. मैं दौड़ सकता हूँ. This is our subject. दौड़ सकता हूँ. सकना. That means they are telling about efficiency, power. They are showing about power. So here we should use can, not should. Okay. So मैं दौड़ सकता हूँ. तो how we can speak in English? मैं दौड़ सकता हूँ. How we can speak in English? मैं दौड़ सकता हूँ. That means I can run. मैं दौड़ सकता हूँ. मैं खेल सकता हूँ. I can play. मैं जा सकता हूँ. I can go. मैं गा सकता हूँ. I can sing. मैं आ सकता हूँ. I can come. From this sentence you can make many sentences according to your choice, according to your need, and you can start your little English conversation. And you can grow your knowledge, you can improve your spoken English. So now I am going to talk about our next sentence. Our next sentence is तुम पढ़ सकते हो. So we need to find our subject. So this is our subject, तुम, and पढ़ सकते हो. They are also from this sentence. It is also talking about power, efficiency. So we should सकना, that means we should use can. Okay. तो तुम पढ़ सकते हो. तो हाउ वी कैन स्पीक इन इंग्लिश? तुम पढ़ सकते हो. दैट मीन्स यू, एंड यू कैन रीड. तुम पढ़ सकते हो. तुम जा सकते हो. यू कैन गो. तुम आ सकते हो. यू कैन कम. तुम लिख सकते हो. यू कैन राइट. तुम कूद सकते हो. यू कैन जंप. From this sentence you can make different type of sentence, and you can improve your spoken English. Now I am going to talk about our next sentence. Our next sentence is हम लोग यह कर सकते हैं. तो we need to find our subject. तो हम लोग, this is our subject. How we can speak in English? हम लोग यह कर सकते हैं. हम लोग, that means we, हम लोग यह कर सकते हैं. We can do means what? हम लोग कर सकते हैं. And it is telling about यह, मतलब कोई specific time, कोई specific things, okay, specific work. So we can do, हम लोग यह कर सकते हैं. We can do this. Now it is absolutely correct. Okay. Now I am going to talk about our next sentence. Our next sentence is नीता खेल सकती है. तो we need to find our subject. नीता is our subject. नीता खेल सकती है. From this sentence and from this sentence, they are showing about, it is showing about efficiency, power. So we should use can. Okay. नीता खेल सकती है. तो नीता खेल सकती है. नीता कैन प्ले. नीता जा सकती है. नीता कैन गो. नीता गा सकती है. नीता कैन सिंग. नीता आ सकती है. नीता कैन कम. From this sentence you can make different type of sentence. Now I am going to talk about our next sentence. Our next sentence is वह पढ़ सकती है. वह पढ़ सकती है. तो we need to find our subject. वह पढ़ सकती है. And from here you can also identify they are talking about which gender, male or female. So वह पढ़ सकती है. From this sentence what you understood? From this sentence we know it is talking about पढ़ सकती है. That means it is talking about female gender. And if there is written वह पढ़ सकता है, that means we can understand it is talking about male gender. Okay. So from the sentence we can identify, and then we can use according to gender. तो वह पढ़ सकती है. तो that means she can read. फुल स्टॉप. she can read, वह पढ़ सकती है. वह जा सकती है. she can go. वह आ सकती है. she can come. वह बैडमिंटन खेल सकती है. she can play the badminton. वह गा सकती है. she can sing. वह कूद सकती है, she can jump. वह दौड़ सकती है, she can run. So from this sentence you can make different type of sentence, and I hope you really enjoy this video and you learn lots of things. If you really enjoy this video and if you find out this video is very helpful for you, then please do subscribe and like this video and share this video. And if you came to watch my video first time, then you please follow me on my all the social media handle, and please join Telegram link also, where I am providing everything, PDF or everything related to education, related to study in free of cost. So thanks for watching this video. Take care, bye bye, and we will meet again.